XPENG's Iron, the AI-powered humanoid robot with eagle-eye vision. Introducing XPENG's humanoid robot that's redefining what machines can do. Standing 5'8" and weighing 154 pounds, Iron combines advanced AI, smooth human-like movement and vision sharp enough to spot a paperclip across the room. With 60 joints and 200 degrees of freedom, it moves naturally, no jerky robot dance moves here. Right now, Iron is hard working assembling electric vehicles, but XPENG has much bigger plans, envisioning it helping out in offices, customer services, and even around the house. Powered by XPENG's custom Turing AI chip, capable of 3,000 trillion operations per second and a 720-degree vision system, Iron sees and processes the world in real time, reacting with human-like intelligence. This robot is part of XPENG's larger vision, blending robotics, AI, and automotive innovation into one smart ecosystem. With Iron leading the way, the future looks less science fiction and more like our next big leap forward. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious about how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with all the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.